So we are discussing about admission of the partner. And in admission of the partner, we have discussed that what problems do we have to face at the time of admission of a partner. Okay. And we listed out many problems that we have to solve or we have to go through at the time of admission of the partner. So can any of you tell me which are the problems that we have to
The evaluation of
okay,
then adjustment of
okay,
then accounting for result
okay.
and then revaluation.
Okay. So we have to first go for calculation of new ratio and sacrificing ratio. है ना? First problem is we have to find out new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Then second problem was valuation of goodwill. Third problem was treatment of goodwill. And fourth problem was distribution, sorry, the revaluation of assets and liabilities. Then distribution of reserves and profits. And last one is the adjustment of capitals that I said we don't have in this year in our syllabus. Okay. So we have to solve first this first problem, that is the calculation of new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Okay, so let me share the screen for that. Okay, then only we can begin. And now, and now your entire screen. Online. Is the screen visible to you? स्क्रीन दिख रही है क्या आप लोग को?
No sir.
नहीं दिख रही?
No sir.
So I have to come back. Okay. Now I am sharing. Let me see what happens. Present now. From the classes. Share. Now is it visible? Ram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us come to the 12th. Division A, accountancy. इनपुट नहीं हो रहा है इसका ये। Okay. कंफर्म वाला इसमें छप जाता है क्या करना है इसका देखता हूँ। सही राम
Sairam sir.
सही राम भी कुछ इसका लास्ट का जो आइकन है वो छप जा रहा है इसमें, उससे कंफर्म होता है ना, वो नीचे स्क्रीन जा रही है इसकी। क्या करना है तो डायरेक्ट उसी। ओके सो लेट अस कंटिन्यू विद दैट। इसको जोड़ते हैं, ऐसे ही करते हैं अपना। So what problem we are discussing, that was the change in the profit sharing ratio. So first two conditions we discussed. No, first one we discussed was when new partner takes his share from old partners equally, and second was that when new partner takes his share from old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Is it clear? Sairam? Sairam?
Sairam sir.
हाँ मेरी आवाज आ रही है? मैं ठीक है।
Yes. Okay.
अभी उसको ठीक करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में। तो कैसे करते हैं हम लोग? फर्स्ट टू प्रॉब्लम वी डिस्कस अबाउट चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो। फर्स्ट वन वाज द when new partner takes his share from old partners in their old profit sharing ratio, that we discussed. And second problem was that new partner takes his share from old partners equally. Now this we have discussed or not? New partner takes his share from old partners equally. Okay. Now, so write one example of this. Okay. Note the question. A and B are partners. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
A and B are partners in a firm. Sharing profits and losses. sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 to 2. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 to 2. C is admitted in the firm. C is admitted in the firm which he takes equally from A and B. Which he takes equally from A and B. Okay. Find out sacrificing ratio and new ratio. ना new ratio and sacrificing ratio. It is more visible to you. Board दिख रहा है क्या आपको?
Yes, sir.
बोर्ड दिख रहा है?
Sir, second year share.
हाँ जी.
Share of C.
अच्छा, share of C. C is admitted for 1/6 share. 1/6 share, which he takes equally from A and B. Find out new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Is the board visible to all of you? Board दिख रहा है क्या आपको? Green board.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I solve this on the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here I am visible. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now this is visible. A and B.
No, sir.
Not visible.
And their profit sharing ratio is 3 to 2. This is the out ratio.
Sir, not visible.
Not visible. Okay, here.
सर फोन को टिल्ट करके रखिए सर. सर फोन को थोड़ा टिल्ट करके रखिए ऊपर की तरफ.
अच्छा. अभी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी दिख रहा है? जयराम.
Yes, sir.
ये दिख रहा है आपको इतना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
काम हो जाएगा. So let us see. And we are partners.
सर ये नहीं दिख रहा.
नीचे देखना. यहाँ से ये.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. ना दिख रहा नहीं वाला पार्ट.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And we are partners in the ratio of 3 to 2. Okay. C is admitted for how much here? 1/6. Okay. Am I audible also or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now C takes its share equally from A and B. Okay. So what is the formula here? Sacrifice of each partner equal to new partner's share upon divided by number of whole partners. This is the formula. Each partner sacrifice equal to new partner's share divided by number of whole partners. Am I audible? Aditya. हाँ आदित्य.
Yes, sir.
आदित्य कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या? Sairam. Okay, so now what we will do? New partner is C. C's share is 1/6. Number of whole partners is 2. So it will be divided by 2. Is 1/2. Means each partner sacrifice is 1/12. A's sacrifice is 1/12, and B's sacrifice is also 1/12. Is it clear? Sairam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sacrificing ratio, we have already got sacrificing ratio is what? 1/12, 1/12, that means sacrificing ratio will be 1:1. Both are sacrificing 1/12, 1/12. So sacrificing ratio will be equal 1:1. No, so whenever new partner takes his share equally from old partners, the sacrificing ratio will be equal. Always it will be equal. No, 1:1. Okay. Now new ratio formula of new ratio is what? Old ratio minus sacrifice. No. New ratio equal to old ratio minus sacrifice. So A is new share and new ratio is equal to how much? 3/5 minus 1/12. Okay. A sacrifice is 1/12. 3/5 minus 1/12. LCM will be 60. Okay. 5 12 is 60. 36 minus 5. 31/60. Is it clear? Aji,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
now
sir.
these two are equal to 2/5 minus 1/12. Again LCM 60. No. 5 12 is 60. 24 minus 5. 19/60. So B share is 19/60. And C share you can see already we have given 1/6. So we have to make it 60. So we will multiply it by 10. So C share will be 10/60. Now, so new profit sharing ratio is what will the ratio? That is 31, 19, and 10. This will be the new profit sharing ratio. Is it clear? 31, 19, and 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write the third condition. Condition number 3. If the new partner takes his share from old partners unequally. If the new partner takes his share from old partners unequally. If the new partner takes his share from old partners unequally. Okay, write one example. A, B, and C are partners. A, B, and C are partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. A, B, and C are partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. They admitted
Sir, please repeat the question, sir.
A, B, C are partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. Okay. A, B, C are partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. They admitted D in the form for 1/12 share. They admitted D in the form for 1/12 share. Okay. D takes his share. D takes his share from A, B, and C. D takes his share from A, B, and C in the ratio of 2:2:1. In the ratio of 2:2:1. Find out new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Find out new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is already given to you. Now, what is the sacrificing ratio?
2:2:1.
Yes, this is already given to you. The ratio in which the old partners are giving their share to the new partner. Okay. So now let us see here what to calculate. Sacrifice of each partner is equal to. We have to find out sacrifice made by each partner. Na? So D share is how much? D share is equal to 1 by 12. Na? Which is takes from A, B, and C in a ratio of 2 to 1. Na? So A sacrifice is equal to A sacrifice is equal to 1 by 12. This share is 1 by 12, out of which, out of 1 by 12, A is paying how much? 2 by 5. Out of 1 by 12, A is giving 2 by 5. So, A is sacrificing 2 by 16. B is sacrifice equal to 1 by 12 into 2 by 5. Again 2 by 16. And C is sacrifice also 1 by 12 into 1 by 5, that means 1 by 16. These are the sacrifices, not new ratio. This is the sacrifice made by A, B, and C. Is it clear? So A is sacrificing 2 by 16. For total share of D is 1 by 12. Out of 1 by 12, A is sacrificing 2 by 5. B is sacrificing 2 by 5. And C is sacrificing 1 by 5. Okay. Right. So now A's new share is equal to how much? Old share 2 by 5 minus 2 by 16. LCM is 16. 24 minus 2, 22 by 60. A's new share. B's new share 2 by 5 minus 2 by 60. 10. LCM 60. 24 minus 2, 22 by 60. C's share new share 1 by 5 minus 1 by 60. LCM is again 60. 12 minus 2. 10 by 60. Okay. And this share is already given. This share is 1 by 12. So we have to multiply it by 5. So to 5 by 60. So new ratio will be 22, 22, 10, and 5. कितना बड़ा है? इसका क्या होगा? Here 60 minus 60 और यहाँ पर कौन आएगा? 11 by 60 है। क्या हो रहा है? 9. 11 आ गया 11 by 60. ये कितना हो गया देखो? 22, 22, 44. हो गया 60 हो रहा है ना सारा ऐड करके देखिए सही रहा ये डिजिटल ये 60 हो गया कि देखो 22 is to 22 is to 10 is to 5 2 ratio सही रहा
सर 28 is to 16 is to 11 is to 5 आ रहा है
कितना आ रहा है
28 is to 16 is to 11 is to 5
कैसे आएगा
Yes, sir.
कितना कैसे आएगा
सर 5 by 10 minus 2 by 60 पहले ये न्यू रेशियो होगा
अच्छा हमारा रेशियो क्या है मैंने तुमको नोट कर दिया सॉरी नोट रेशियो क्या है नोट रेशियो बताओ नोट रेशियो क्या है ये तो सही है इतना तो ठीक है नोट रेशियो कितना है
5:3
ओके सॉरी दैट इज द मिस्टेक 5:3 ठीक है सॉरी अगेन लेट अस सॉल्व so A's new share 5 by 10 na? Minus 2 by 60. Is it right? Sairam, 60,
Yes, sir.
30 minus 2, है ना? 28 by 60, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
And this here is 3 by 10, no? 3 by 10 minus 2 by 60. LCM is again 60. So 10 6 is 60, 18. Minus 2. No. 16 by 60. Okay. And C here is 2 by 10 minus 1 by 60. LCM 60. 12 minus 1. तो 11 by 60 और d का तो आएगा 5 by 60 d का तो ये है 5 by 60 निकाला आपने तो अभी हो गया 28 16 11 and 5 is it correct? Ram?
Yes, sir.
So that was the mistake.
Yes, sir.
This is the third condition in which new partner takes his share from old partners unequally. So B is say taking his share from A, B, and C in the ratio of 2 to 1. That is the unequality. We have discussed three conditions. Number one, when new partner takes his share from old partners in their old ratio, it means nothing is given to us that how is the new partner going to share. We can understand he is taking his share from old partners in their old ratio. Okay. Second condition was that when new partner takes his share from old partners equally, no, that we discussed. Then third condition was when new partner takes his share from old partners unequally. This condition we have discussed. So now write the fourth condition. Condition number 4. Okay. Am I audible, Sairam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write the number condition number 4. If the new partner takes his share, only from one partner. If the new partner takes his share only from one partner. So in this condition, whole share of new partner will be subtracted only from one partner. We note the question. A, B, C are partners. Sairam. Same question. A, B, C are partners. ये अभी बारिश तेज हुई है तो शायद आवाज कट रही होगी क्योंकि बहुत तेज आवाज आ रही है बाहर से. A, B, C are partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. Same question as we have discussed. A, B, C are partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. D is admitted in the firm. D is admitted in the firm for 1/12 share. D is admitted in the firm for 1/12 share, which he takes only from A. Which he takes only from A. Find out new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Find out new ratio and sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio will be same. Whole sacrifice is made only by one partner, na? So there is no need of calculation of sacrificing ratio. Whole sacrifice is made by only one partner, na? So now new ratio, we have to subtract the share of D only from A. So write what is the A share? A share is 5/10, na? 5/10 minus 2/12 करिए जरा 5/10 minus 2/12 कितना आएगा
25/60
5/10 minus 2/12 कितना आ गया 25/60 ठीक है। अब बाकी सब में 60 लाना है नीचे आपको। एक आ गया 25/60 बी का कितना शेयर है 3/10 है उसमें 60 लाएंगे तो 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 18/60 हो जाएगा बी का है ना। सी का 2/10 इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 6 से तो होगा 12/60 और डी का तो दिया ये 1/12 इसका होगा 5/60 देखो इसको कितना आ गया 25 आया फिर आया आपका कितना 18 है ना फिर आया 12 और फिर आ गया 5 देखो 60 हो गया क्या तैराम बाकी सब में कोई चेंज नहीं हो केवल इक्वल करना है उसके लिए मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो 60 आया सब में। It will be subtracted only from the share of A because only A is sacrificing. Are you understanding? तैराम
यस सर यस सर
ठीक है तो माइनस तो एक से ही करना है बस केवल ए से माइनस करेंगे बाकी सबको तो इक्वल करना है। तो सब में नीचे 60 लाना है तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वो देख लीजिए मल्टीप्लाई करके। बी का शेयर है 2/10 सॉरी 3/10 तो 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो 6 नीचे करिए 6 ऊपर तो 18/60 होगा। सी का शेयर है 2/10 तो 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 12/60 होगा और डी का 1/12 तो 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 5/60 हो गया। टोटल आ गया 25 18 12 एंड 5 ठीक है। अभी बोलिए एनी डाउट टू एनीवन? The other 4 conditions we discuss है ना अभी और है इसमें कंडीशन लेकिन पहली वाली 4 क्लियर है आपको फर्स्ट 4 कंडीशंस आर क्लियर
Yes, sir.
okay so first one was when new partner takes his share from old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Now one important thing you can understand in none of these conditions you need to find out sacrificing ratio. इनमें किसी भी कंडीशन में आपको sacrificing ratio कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है that is already given है ना। In first condition the old ratio will be sacrificing ratio है ना because new partner is taking his share from old partners in their old profit sharing ratio so old ratio will be the sacrificing ratio. In second condition new partner is taking his share equally from old partners so 1:1 will be the sacrificing ratio equal है ना। In third condition it is already given अभी आपने किया था 3:1 में लेता है 2:1 में लेता है तो 2:1 is the sacrificing ratio and in this fourth condition this is the only one partner is sacrificing so whole amount of goodwill will go to him and there is no need of any sacrificing ratio. Okay so till now we don't need to find out or calculate separately sacrificing ratio it is already given in the question. Okay so Sairam that's all for this class. How much time is over? What is the time? 2:07 2-3 minutes or more. So if you have any doubt about these four or you can write the next condition लिखिए अभी condition number 5 when new ratio and old ratio both are given when new ratio अच्छा ऑडियो कटेगा सिद्धार्थ क्योंकि एक तो वो दूरी है काफी वो आपकी वो टैबलेट चेयर ना उसमें बैठा हूँ मैं अभी नई चेयर लाऊंगा देखता हूँ दूसरी वाली दूसरा ये बारिश की आवाज भी आ रही है थोड़ा से है ना इम्प्रूव करने तक हो जाएगी। ओके सो फिफ्थ कंडीशन इज व्हेन न्यू रेशियो एंड ओल्ड रेशियो बोथ आर गिवन न्यू रेशियो एंड ओल्ड रेशियो बोथ आर गिवन okay so write the question A and B are partners A and B are partners in the ratio of A and B are partners in the ratio of 4:2 4:2 they admitted C they admitted C, and after C's admission, the new profit sharing ratio partners will be, after C's admission, the new profit sharing ratio partners will be 1:1:1. Find out sacrificing ratio. है ना? Old ratio is 4:2. New ratio of ABC is 1:1:1. Find out sacrificing ratio. So here we are given both old ratio is given as well as new ratio is given. So we don't need to find out new ratio. In this condition, we have to find out sacrificing ratio. No? And formula of sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. Okay? Formula of sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. So you calculate age sacrifice 4/6 minus 1/3. No? Find out 4/6 minus 1/3 and B sacrifice 2/6 minus 1/3. निकालिए अपना सारे लोग। आपकी आवाज कट रही प्रियांशु, बहुत तेज आवाज आ रही है, ठीक करके बोलो। हाँ
सर ओनली A sacrifice 1/3।
हाँ, B का तो 0 हो गया शायद, है ना, बराबर आ गया था, तो कम पहले का ना तो नहीं आ गया ना। तो ओनली A sacrificing that whole share given to C sacrificed by A, that is 1/3. ना B will sacrifice nothing. B sacrifice will be 0. ठीक है? Okay, so that's all for this class. We will continue this topic in the next class also and solving some more problems. I am stopping recording.